Post-pandemic, there's a paradigm shift in the way of learning, and virtual learning has become a trend. Set well-established learning objectives to give direction to your learning program, and when it comes to ILT to VILT conversion, this is one best practice one shouldn't forget. Present the content in a short and interesting way, and preferably convert text to visuals so that it has a proper flow and is relatable to the learners. Leverage various tools and technologies to have multimedia content during ILT to VILT conversion, which makes learning effective and engaging. Check for usability and accessibility while selecting the software you choose to deliver learning. This is an important concept in ILT to VILT conversion to meet all the learning needs of the organization. Apply these best practices to your ILT to VILT conversion and have a maximally effective training program.